In this video I am telling you the amazing facts about Ukraine you may not know. Ukraine is the largest country in Europe. At 603,628 square kilometers, it stretches from Russia in the east to Poland in the west, with the Black Sea running along its southern border. It's nearly 3 times the size of the UK and beats the second biggest country, France, by 50,000 square kilometers. With such a large area, Ukraine has a lot to offer. From the beautiful Carpathian mountains that offer picturesque landscapes of forests, rivers, and valleys, to beaches found near the city of Odessa and vibrant cultural cities like Kyiv and Lviv. Not only is it an extremely large country, but also a very unique and exciting one. Russian and Ukrainian both language works here. It is quite evident in Ukraine that throughout the country people know both Russian and Ukrainian language. However, if you really want to be local, Ukrainian, which is the official language as well, would still work better. And to your disappointment, English is not a widely spoken language here. The Ukrainian language was rated the 3rd most beautiful language in 1934, behind French and Persian. It was also rated the 2nd most melodious, behind Italian. Seven UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Ukraine. Ukraine is home to 7 sites protected by the UNESCO World Heritage List. These include Kyiv's St. Sophia Cathedral and Lviv's Historic Center, Chernivtsi University, as well as unique wooden churches in the Carpathians and the beech forests that surround them. Arsenalna is the deepest metro station in the world. Arsenal on Kyiv City Metro Line, Svyatoshinsko-Brovarska Line, is the deepest metro station in the world right now. It is 105.5 meters deep. Escalators take you deep down so that you can catch the train. The reason why Arsenalna had to be 105.5 meters deep is that it had to bypass the Dnieper River, which rises above Kyiv City and surrounds it. You will go for 5 long minutes on the escalator to reach the 105.5 meters deep down the station. Ukraine has a well-developed system of public transportation. Every large city and regional center is connected to the railway network and receives passenger trains daily from other major cities. Many cities also contain cheap and efficient bus and tram services, costing as little as 8 Ukrainian hryvnia. Airports in Ukraine are easily accessible by public transport and service buses, or taxis, which would cost about 7 Ukrainian hryvnia per kilometer. To reach Kyiv Boryspil Airport you can also take an express train from the railway station. McDonald's in Kyiv is among the world's most visited McDonald's restaurants. McDonald's on Vokzalna Square in Kyiv is said to be 3rd most visited McDonald's restaurant in the world. The restaurant is next to the train station here. You will find this restaurant super busy. This is so because McDonald's in Kyiv is the best fast food option. The traditional Ukrainian diet includes chicken, pork, beef, eggs, fish, and mushrooms. Ukrainians also tend to eat a lot of potatoes, grains, and fresh and pickled vegetables. Ukrainian cuisine is extremely varied and exciting, with different ethnic minorities and a rich multicultural history bringing various foods to the table. Ukraine is among the most educated nations in the world. Ukraine stands fourth in the world in terms of the most educated population. 99.4% of Ukrainians aged 15 and over can read and write. 70% of adult Ukrainians have a secondary or higher education. Even the current heavyweight champions from Ukraine Vitaly and Vladimir have doctorate degrees. Ukraine has a mostly temperate, continental climate. Precipitation is disproportionately distributed, it is the highest in the west and north and the lowest in the east and southeast. Winters vary from cool along the Black Sea to cold farther inland. Average annual temperatures range from 5.5 degrees Celsius to 7 degrees Celsius in the north to 11 degrees Celsius to 13 degrees Celsius in the south. Summers are not so hot and temperatures range from 17 degrees Celsius to 25–30 degrees Celsius. However, winters can be very cold, attracting lots of snow and creating a beautiful wintry wonderland, perfect to enjoy an authentic Christmassy getaway. There are many different festivals and fairs in Ukraine. Ukrainian musicians are flourishing in rock, pop, jazz, folk, electric, drum, and bass. Hence, festivals, such as Dubno Fest and Leopolis Jazz Fest in Lviv are extremely popular. Moreover, Atlas Weekend Festival is one of Europe's biggest festivals, attracting over 500,000 people this year, showing contemporary modern popular music. 12 facts about Ukraine.